This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Shaw. Bright, open 2-bed, 2-bath home in the vibrant 55-plus community of Tripar Estates. Just built in 2022. This charming manufactured home is on owned land and offers easy, low-maintenance Florida living. The bright, open floor plan features high ceilings, large windows, a large open kitchen with a center island, and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, creating a welcoming and airy atmosphere. Enjoy morning coffee or evening relaxation on the lovely front porch. The home also includes a large shed, carport, and oversized paved driveway for convenience and storage. There is always something to do in Tripar Estates. Residents enjoy resort-style amenities, including a clubhouse, refreshing pool, pickleball courts, shuffleboard, horseshoes, putt-putt golf, fitness center, and a variety of engaging social activities. Conveniently located near Sarasota's beaches, airport, University Town Center shopping, dining, and downtown. This home offers a true Florida lifestyle. Schedule your private tour today and start living your best Florida life in Tripar Estates. For more information, review the details below or contact Julie Shaw at 941-907-2000.